Don't be up. My name is Charlie B, and we are here today for a great cause. We're here to teach you guys about something that is called bullying. And we are a positive group of arts and entertainment industry professionals that care so much about you guys, because you guys are the future. What's the first thing that we do if we have a situation that's not cool and we're in school? What do?
Tell a grown-up.
Yes! Every time you look at that canvas, anybody know who the channel? We kind of have an imitation Charles Xavier.
My name is Mark. I make comic books. I'm gonna need your help today, guys. I need your motivation. Yeah! Today what we're gonna do is create your own hero.
An art that can express different emotions and help to stop bullying by expressing your emotions through dance. And this is one of many things that you can do to show how you feel instead of hurting someone's feelings.
Alright guys, we love you. New York City Art Cypher out, Street Masters Crew, Marvel, Monty. We all want to say we love you, Pier 62. Thank you for having us. And please respect each other, okay?